can you solve this question for x? And what makes this question so special? And what makes it different from just solving the quadratic 6x squared minus 5x minus 6 equals 0? Because I know in your head you've probably already figured out that the first step is going to be to multiply both sides by 3x plus 2. So we get this question. But what's even the point of the 3x plus 2 in that case? Why don't they just get rid of the denominator in the question? Well, let's just continue and see if we can find out. So to solve this quadratic equation, we're looking for two factors that multiply to negative 36 and add to negative 5. As you think through your factors of negative 36, you'll notice that minus 9 and 4 will multiply to minus 36 and add to minus 5. So that's how we're going to split the middle term. We get 6x squared minus 9x plus 4x minus 6 equals 0. And now we can factor this by grouping. So we take out the highest common factor from the first two terms, which is 3x, and we're left with 2x minus 3. We take out the highest common factor from the second two terms, and we're left with, which is 2. And again, we're left with 2x minus 3. That's how you know this method has worked, when these two brackets are the same, and we can now factor them both out, and we're left with 3x plus 2. And then to get x, we use our zero product property. We know that one of these two brackets must equal 0 for their product to be 0. So either 2x minus 3 equals 0 or 3x plus 2 equals 0. So in the first case, we get that x is equal to 3 over 2. In the second case, we get that x is equal to minus 2 over 3. Okay, so we're done? Not quite yet, because can both of these solutions plug back into our original equation? Well, hang on a second. If 3x plus 2 is equal to 0, then the denominator is 0 and the fraction is undefined. So that doesn't work. So this actually isn't a solution, even though it is a solution to this quadratic equation. And the difference of having this denominator here at the beginning. So always watch out for little traps and insights like this as you're going through your mathematics, because that is the difference between a student who can just rote answer questions and someone who checks their answers so they know exactly what makes sense mathematically.